Hi, my name is Stefanny Lopez and welcome to my TV show Cooking with Stefanny. Today I want to share with you all a delicious recipe and they are arepas. So if you want to cook the recipe, you will need 2 cups of pre-cooked corn flour, 2.5 cups of warm water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil. Now we have all the ingredients, so we can start. For the beginning, you need to wash your hands. Then spread the oil in a large pan and put it on the stove over medium-high heat. Next from this, we are going to place the water and a pinch of salt in a bowl. And add the flour little by little and stir with a spoon. Now wait about 3 or 5 minutes until the dough takes a little consistency. Then knead it until it doesn't stick to the edges of the bowl and there should be no lumps left. And then we need to form a sphere with the arepas dough and then squash with them with the palms of our hands until we get it circular arepas. And finally place them in the pan and cover it for about 5 minutes. Uncover and return to the arepas. And we will cook the arepas until golden brown on both sides. And that was all about how to cook arepas. But also, if you want to open the arepas with a sharp knife on the side and fill them, you can use different foods to fill your arepas, such as maybe shredded meat and eggs as you like, or maybe you also can use cheese. Now you can enjoy your arepas and thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.